Hi children. Children, in the last class we have studied numbers name from 1 to 100. Yes? Do you remember that? I will ask question. What is the spelling for 7? What is the spelling for 7? S-E-V-E-N 7. What is the spelling for 13? What is the spelling for 13? T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N 13. What is the spelling for 28? T-W-E-N-T-Y 20. E-I-G-H-T 8. 28. What is the spelling for 35? T-H-I-R-T-Y 30. 5. F-I-V-E 5. 35. Okay. What is the spelling for 46? F-O-R-T-Y 40. S-I-X 6. 46. What is the spelling for 53? F-I-F-T-Y 50. T-H-R-E-E 3. 53. What is the spelling for 67? S-I-X-T-Y 60. S-E-V-E-N 7. 67. What is the spelling for 72? S-E-V-E-N-T-Y 70. T-W-O-2 72. What is the spelling for 89? E-I-G-H-T-Y 80. N-I-N-E 9 89. What is the spelling for 91? N-I-N-E-T-Y 90. O-N-E-1 91. What is the spelling for 100? O-N-E-1 H-U-N-D-R-E-D 100. Okay children, very good. You all are studied. Yes? Very good. Today we are going to study the after, before and between numbers. Okay? After, before and between numbers. Okay? What is the meaning for before? What is the meaning for before? Before means munnal. Okay? We have already studied the following about before, after and between numbers. Yes? Yes or no? Yes. What is the meaning for before numbers? First of all, what is the spelling for before? B-E-F-O-R-E before. Yes? B-E-F-O-R-E before. What is the spelling for before? B-E-F-O-R-E before. Before means munnal. Okay? Before means munnal. What is the spelling for after? A-F-T-E-R after. Okay? What is the spelling for after? A-F-T-E-R after. After means pinnal. Okay? After means pinnal. Okay? Next. Between. What is the spelling for between? B-E-T-W-E-E-N between. Okay? What is the spelling for between? B-E-T-W-E-E-N between. What is the meaning for between? Naduvil. Okay? Between means naduvil, in the center of. Okay? Before means in front of the between number. Before means in front of the between numbers. After means backward of the between number. Okay, children? Did you understand? Okay. Before means munna. After means pinna. Between means naduvil. Okay. Don't forget, all of you listen carefully. What is the meaning for before? Munnal. Okay. What is the meaning for before? Munnal. What is the before for? What is the meaning of after? After means pinnal. Okay. What is the meaning of after? Pinnal. What is the meaning of between? Munnal. Okay. Between means munnal. Very good. Okay. Now all of you take your class work note. All of you take your class work note, max class work note with your pencil and eraser. Pencil and eraser. Did you take? Okay. Take one new page. First of all of you should write today's day and date. Write today's day and date. First of all of you should write today's day and date. Have you written? Very good. Take the new page and write today's day and date. Okay? Then already I said before means munnal, after means pinnal, between means naduvil. Before means munnal, after means pinnal, between means naduvil. Okay. Now I will ask some questions. Okay. Which comes after 4? Which come after 4? Say the answer. Open your mouth and say louder. 5. Okay. What comes after 4? 5. After means pinnal. Okay va? 4 க்கு பின்னாடி என்ன நம்பர் வரும்? 4 க்கு அடுத்த நம்பர், next number. Okay. Pinnal. 4 the next number. Okay. 4 after 5. 4 after 5. What comes after 4? 5. Very good. Next. What comes after 37? What comes after 37? Say louder. 38. Okay. What comes after 37? 38. What comes after 14? What comes after 14? 14 after 15. 14 after 15. Okay. 2 after. What comes after 2? What comes after 2? 3. Okay. What comes after 2? 3. What comes after 88? What comes after 88? 88 க்கு அடுத்து உள்ள நம்பர் என்ன? 89. Okay, 89. Very good. Next, before number. Okay. What comes before 2? What comes before 2? 1. Okay, what comes before 2? 1. What comes before 17? What comes before 17? 17 க்கு முன்னாடி உள்ள number. Okay, what comes before 17? 16. What comes before 17? 16. Next. What comes before 35? What comes before 35? 35 க்கு முன்னாடி உள்ள number. What comes before 35? 34. Okay, 34. Very good. Next, between number. Okay, the number between 2 and 4. 2 and 4 is, what will come? 2 and 4. The number between 2 and 4 is 2 க்கும் 4 க்கும் நடுவுல இருக்கிற நம்பர் என்ன? Okay, do you understand the question? The numbers between 2 and 4 is dash. What will come? 3. 2 and 4. இரண்டிற்கும் 2க்கும் 4க்கும் நடுவுல இருக்கிற நம்பர் என்ன? Okay, what will come? 3. Next, the numbers between 19 and 21 is, what will come? 20. Okay, the numbers between 19 and 21 is 20. The numbers between 66 and 68 is, 66 and 68 is 67. Okay, 67. Very good. Now all of you open your max note. Already you have written today's day and date, and start. One margin line is here, means outside you write first one. Before, after, and between. Before, after, and between. This is heading. Okay, next, leave one finger space. Okay, leave one finger space and write WRITE, right. WRITE, right. THE, the, write the number. NUMBER, number. THAT, that. COMES comes after. Okay, write the number that comes after. All of you see the board and read one by one. Read the letters. WRITE, right. THE, the. NUMBE, or number. THAT, that. COMES comes AFTER, after. Okay, now you want to write the after number. Okay, now you want to write the after numbers. First one, leave one finger space and write. Okay, 4 dash. What comes after 4? What comes after 4? 5. Okay, what comes after 4? 5. 36. What comes after 36? What comes after 36? 37. Okay, what comes after 36? 37. 37. Next, third one. 49. What comes after 49? What comes after 49? 50. Okay, what comes after 49? 50. Fourth one. 63. What comes after 63? 63 का அடுத்த number. All of you अपने mouth and say what comes after 63? 64. Okay, 64. Fifth one. 11. What comes after 11? 12. Okay, what comes after 11? 12. Very good. What comes after 11? 12. Now all of you open your note and write this one. After 12. Three after 64. 11 after 12. Leave one finger space and write. Okay, don't continue to write. Keep your finger here. If you complete one line means leave one finger space, write first one. Next leave one finger space, write the second one. Leave one finger space and write the third one. Leave one finger space and write the fourth one. Leave one finger space and write the fifth one. Okay, right. This is heading. Open your mouth and write. Say and write, write neatly. Okay, I want good handwriting. All of you write neatly, write small letter, write neatly. Okay, say and write ma. WRITE, write. THE, the, write the. NUMBER, number. THAT, that. Comes, COMES, comes. After, AFTER, after. Write the numbers that comes after. Write the numbers that come after. What comes after 4? 5. What comes after 36? 37. What comes after 49? 50. What comes after 63? 64. What comes after 11? 12. Write fast. In your mouth, say and write. Okay? you written? Children, have you written? Next. Next, shall we write the next one? Next, we will study the before numbers. Okay, next we will study the before numbers. Take the next page. Right here, second one. W-R-I-T-E, write. T-H-E, the. Write the. Write means எழுது. Okay, write means எழுது. Number, N-U-M-B-E-R, number. T-H-A-T, that. C-O-M-E-S comes before. B-E-F-O-R-E, before. Okay, write the numbers that comes before. All of you see the board. Don't write. See the board. Open your mouth and read with me. W-R-I-T-E, write. T-H, either. N-U-M-B-E-R, number. T-H-A-T, that. C-O-M-E-S comes. B-E-F-O-R-E, before. Write the number that comes before. Leave one finger space and write first one. 4. Okay. What comes before 4? What comes before 4? 4 க்கு முன்னாடி என்ன நம்பர் வரும்? What comes before 4? 3. Okay, leave one finger space and write second one. What is this number? 20. Okay, what is this number? 20. What comes before 20? What comes before 20? 19. Okay, 19. Third one. What is this number? 69. Okay, what is this number? 69. What comes before 69? What comes before 69? 68. Okay, what comes before 69? 68. Very good. Next, fourth one. What comes before 36? What comes before 36? 36 ku munnadi ulla number. Before means munnal. Don't forget this one. Okay. 36 before 35. Very good. Okay. 71. What is this number? 71. What comes before 71? What comes before 71? 70. Okay, what comes before 71? 70. Very good. Before means munnal. Don't forget, before means munnal. After means pinnal. Okay. Write the number that comes before. Okay. Write the number that comes before. Now take the new page and copy this one. Take the new page and write. Write the number that comes before. Already they given 4 means what you should write? 3. Okay. What comes before 4? 3. What comes before 20? 19. What comes before 69? Before 69? 68. What comes before 36? 36. 35. What comes before 71? 70. Okay, very good. Now all of you write. Say and write. See the board carefully and write. See the board and write fast, ma. Write carefully, okay? Open your mouth, say and write, okay? What comes before 4? 3. What comes before 20? 19. Say and write. Write fast.